Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this episode of Kart Crazy. We're going to be installing a rear seat kit on our 2012 Club Car Precedent, also known as Stormtrooper. So to do that, we need to remove the rear struts, the rear basket assembly, and the roof in order for the brackets to go in. So let's get started. So I'll bring you in and show you what we got going on. I have the seat portion mounted onto our base brackets. The original sweater basket that we took off that would hold the golf clubs right here and here gets replaced with this metal bracket from the seat manufacturer. And our rear seat will bolt up to these holes using the supplied screws, and there's also a replacement net that we'll put in here that comes with the seat kit, so you can still use the sweater basket. That's one thing I like about this seat kit. You can still use the sweater basket, which is a great spot for the pooch to ride. We'll keep going. Next, we'll install the side hip restraints. There you have it, folks. Rear seat kit is installed. We do have to put the grab handle on yet, but I'll do that a little bit later on. I've ran out of time today. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.